In this video, we're going to take a look at Fibrenew's Plastic and Vinyl Cleaner and Protector Care Kit. This is an awesome product for the discerning car owner. It'll help keep your car's interior looking great, smelling great. It also has a UV protectant in it to block those harmful UV rays. You can use the Care Kit on any plastic or vinyl in your vehicle's interior, like the center console. We have some very dirty door trim panels down here. Of course, our plastic door panels themselves, and then any other components in the interior, like this dashboard. We have a UV protectant in the kit as well, so it's great for dashboards. All of these plastic parts that we see, they always get dirty, grimy. We have leather car seats that have some dirt and grime on them. Fear not, Fibrenew has a leather cleaner and protector kit as well. That was a shameless plug, busted. Okay, let's demo the product. We're going to clean this area, leave that area so we can see the before and after difference. Step one, our cleaner. What we want to do is unlock the nozzle as a first step at the top. Give it a very quick shake. You want your microfiber applicator handy for this step as well. We recommend soaking the surface that we're cleaning. So on this plastic, it has a grain to it, and we want to get to the bottom of that grain. And in order to best do that, we want to use lots of cleaner, soak it, and then with our microfiber applicator, apply some elbow grease and really work the product in. Again, getting to the bottom of that grain to make sure that we're lifting all of the dirt and all of the contaminants off. In order to ensure that the surface is really clean, we recommend doing a second step cleaning process. So again, with the cleaner, make sure it's nice and wet, and then go back with that elbow grease and your microfiber applicator and really work that product in to make sure that the surface is completely clean. With the cleaning step done and it's dry, now it's time to apply the protector. So same idea, unlock the nozzle at the top, give it a quick shake to prep the product. And then just like we did with the cleaner, we want to make sure that the surface is very wet with the protectant. With your towel, what we're going to do is spread the product onto the surface evenly. We're not going to wipe it clean. We actually want to leave it somewhat wet and just let it air dry. That's what creates the protective skin. Look at that before and after difference. Incredible. Repeat these cleaning and protecting steps on other areas of your car's interior, like door panels, like center consoles, like your dashboard, or anywhere else you find plastic or vinyl. It's a great product. It feels great, smells great, adds UV protectant. It's non-greasy. We think you're going to love it. To order Fibrenew care kits or to find a Fibrenew franchise near you, visit fibrenew.com.